Welcome to our virtual road test of our 2015 15 plate Audi S3 S-Tronic Sportback. It's done 64,150 miles. We've got full service history for it. It's in Misano red. Just giving it a little run up the road just to see how dry it's going to feel. And it drives really lovely, nice and smooth. The S-Tronic box is as seamless as you would expect it to be. You can barely feel the gear changes. Brakes are good, tyres are good. It's got Pirellis on the front, Bridgestones on the rear, all with lots of good tread left on them. I'd say the brakes are very good on it. It drives really nice. No warning lights on. It's nice and true. We've got 2 keys for the car as well. It's a nice spec actually. It's got the comfort pack, I believe you'd call it. So it's got keyless entry and keyless start. It's got the start stop button. It's got cruise control, powerful mirrors, front and rear parking sensors, as well as the other S3 luxuries you expect: heated seats and sat nav, DAB radio. So nicely packaged, nicely spec car. The Sportback's good as well. Got the 5 doors, so good for the family as well as having a bit of fun when you feel like it. It's got the driving modes as well, so you can change it into dynamic and efficiency. But yeah, overall a very nice looking car in the Misano reds. It's got the chrome mirror covers on it, the 4 pipes in the rear. So yeah, super little car. Quattro as well. So all year round you've got the sure-footedness of the 4-wheel drive. Not a lot more I can say about it really. As I said, we've got full service history for it. There's lots of images up on our website and the internet for it, plus details. But if there are any other questions you have, or if you wanted to discuss finance options or our home delivery service, then please do feel free to contact